Okay, good afternoon, campers. So, since malapit ng dumilim, kailangan nating iset up yung ating mga tents. At unfortunately, limited yung ating mga tents. At since mukhang magkakilala naman na kayo, I want you to look for your partners. So, sa isang tent, dalawang tao ang mag-share. Okay? Just make sure na hindi masyadong magkakalayo ang mga tents ninyo para hindi mahirap kapag pinatawag ko kayo. Okay? So, ang ating dinner will be at 9 p.m. And then we will have our bonfire and a short activity para mas lalo tayong magkakilanlan. Okay? Alright. So, may mga food and drinks tayong available dito just in case na nauhaw kayo o napagod. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang si Ate Tess. And also, may mga dala ba kayong flashlights? Kung wala, I believe meron tayong extra dyan. So anything that you need, andito naman na, and we will be distributing your tents. Just make sure na before that ay meron na kayong partners, okay? Come on, kilos na. Uy, partner daw. Uy, may partner ka na? Wala pa nga eh. Tara, tayo na lang mag-partner. May partner ka na ba? Uy, tara ako naman. Tara. Uy, partner ka na. Sige na, tara na. Um, Hi. May partner ka na ba? Ah, just in case wala pa, okay lang ba if tayong dalawa na lang? Hindi kasi ako nakapagdala ng tent. And yung mga tropa ko rin, may kanya-kanya na rin silang mga partners for the tent. If you're only comfortable. Sure? Talaga ba? Cool. Sige. Ah, Tara, set up na natin. Okay. Okay, kailangan natin ng mga pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, at least 16 pegs. And, okay. Ayun. Sige. Okay. Ayan. Sige, pwedeng pakiabot nung tali. Please. Ayan, sige, wait lang. Kunin ko lang yung bato sa unahan. Wait lang, tatali ko lang to. Ayun. Whew! Stable na yung tent. Grabe, parang nalimutan ko na nga kung paano mag-set up eh. Naalala mo dati, ang bilis natin. Tapos ngayon, parang, parang tahimik. Sure ka ba na, okay lang? Ako yung partner mo? Baka, baka napilitan ka lang ha? Ah, okay. Well, thank you. Uh, so, kumusta ka? Um, Matagal na rin, no? Hindi ko alam kung weird ba to na magkasama ulit tayo. But, but I'm happy na sumama ka sa camp na to. Um, I, I was actually expecting you. um, Wala naman. Kasi syempre, we planned this ahead. We planned this 1 year ahead of time. And it's been 8 months since the last time na nagkausap tayo. Of course, I thought at first na baka hindi ka na hindi ka na sumama, but I'm really happy na nakasama ka. Um, yeah. Though, though medyo awkward nga lang at tahimik, pero but I'm honestly happy na you're here. Uh, so yeah. Ah, ang ganda ng buwan, no? Look at the sky. Um, ang daming between. I know you love taking pictures of the moon. Gusto mo mag-picture? Or ano ba? Ah, okay lang ba sa'yo na dinadaldal kita? Or I actually kind of feel like um I hope it's okay with you na ako yung naging partner mo. But thank you for allowing me na maging partner mo sa tent, or else wala akong matutulugan. Baka lamukin ako. But yeah, ang ganda ng buwan. Sana nga hindi umulan eh. Uh, I remember I remember that you used to love this view, and lagi mong sinasabi na gusto mo mag-camp ulit. And in fact, both of us really used to look forward for this event, right? Um, ayun, wish granted. Uh, I'm sorry, medyo medyo awkward ba? Oo eh. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong dapat pag-usapan. Ayoko naman na buong gabi hindi tayo nagpapansinan because, you know, um, tayong dalawa na lang magkasama sa tent, so why not enjoy the moment and maximize the time na nasa camp tayo. After all, everyone seems to be enjoying their time, right? Mm, ayoko rin ayoko rin naman ng super maging seryoso tayo, pero ayoko rin naman baka isipin mo na nagfi-feeling close ako agad after everything that happened. So I wanna let you know na I'm happy na you're my partner for tonight and that you're here sa camp na to, but I also want you to feel comfortable. Are you comfortable? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Well, alam mo, it's actually weird. Mhm. Ah, by the way, pwede ba kitang pwede ba kitang tabihan kung kung okay lang? Wala bang wala bang magagalit? Wala. Sa'kin? Wala. Of course, wala. I'm single and focus ako sa career ko. Um, pero sure, baka mamaya may sumugod sa akin na sure ka walang magagalit, 'pag tinabihan kita. Ah, okay, okay. That's that's perfect. Well, yeah, as I was saying, Dati, sanay akong marinig yung boses mo araw-araw. Pero ngayon, eto, parang, parang kailangan ko mag-adjust ulit. Hindi ko alam kung anong version ng sarili mo yung kaharap ko ngayon. I'm not really sure how you feel. Um, I appreciate na you're being casual. Hindi mo ko sinusungitan. Pero honestly, I don't know. I don't know how to act in front of you right now. After 8 months since the last time that we broke up. Pero one thing is for sure. I'm happy that you're here. And I'm being honest. I actually prayed na sana makasama ka. And bonus na lang to na naging partner pa kita sa tent. By the way, gusto mo ng marshmallow? I can get one. Favorite mo yun, di ba? Promise. Walang toothpaste prank. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng toothpaste. Promise. Ayun. Kasi naman wala na nga. Ito naman. Finally. Ayan, natawa ka rin. Tagal na nun, no? Hindi na. Wala na nga. Legit na na to. Legit na marshmallow na to. Ayan, at least tumawa ka rin. Hindi na ganun ka-awkward. Kasi, to be honest, namiss ko tong part na to. Yung mga simpleng ganito lang. Walang pressure, walang ingay. Ikaw lang. At ako. And then, yung tahimik na paligid. Yeah, it's getting cold. Come here. You can come closer if you want. Hindi ko sinasabi para lang magyabang na hot ako ha, pero you know. Huy. I'm just kidding. Pero yeah, it's getting colder, so can you come closer? Ayan. Ayan, that's better. You smell the same. In fact, parang bumalik nga lahat ng memories eh. Yung mga gabi na ganito rin tayo dati. Alam mo, sabi ko sa sarili ko, magmo-move on na ako eh. Sabi ko, tapos na ako sa'yo. Tapos na ako sa atin. Na okay na ako. Na kapag nagkita tayo ulit, normal na lang. But the truth is, hindi pala ganun kadali. Especially nung nakita kitang bumaba sa van. Bumalik lahat ng memories. Of course, I suppressed my emotions kanina. Kasi baka mamaya may kasama ka palang boyfriend or, or baka you're dating someone or baka may nakakausap ka na. But if I'm gonna be honest, Akala ko naka-move on na ako. Pero hindi pa pala. Oh my God, this is so awkward. Nakakatawa, no? Ang dami nating pinagdaanan. The last time that we went for a camp, we were so sweet with each other. And now that we're here again for another camp, hindi na tayo. But I don't see you as a stranger. Because the moment that I saw you again, all the memories came flashing back to me. Na isang tingin mo lang, bumabalik lahat. Yung mga away natin, yung mga tawanan, yung mga simpleng bondings natin, yung mga late night talks na parang naging routine na natin. Lahat yun bumabalik. And to be honest, na-miss kita. Hindi ko agad masasabi ng buo, pero totoo yun. Kahit ayaw kong aminin. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na parang gusto mong magsalita, pero natatakot ka rin sa maririnig mo. Ganun ako ngayon. Kasi baka pag inamin ko lahat, baka hindi ko na kayang itago ulit. Are you okay? Comfortable ka pa ba? um, should I stop talking? Should I get something to eat? Gutom ka ba? Okay, okay. Well, ang tahimik, no? Ang ganda ng gabi. Pero yung tahimik na to, parang puno ng kung ano-ano. Mga bagay na hindi nasabi. Mga bagay na iniiwasan nating pag-usapan noon. But, uh, pwede ba akong magsabi ng totoo? Hmm? Minsan naisip ko na baka mali lang yung timing natin. Hindi kasi ako marunong noon eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano magstay at kung paano mas makinig sa'yo ng maayos. Baka kung, baka kung marunong na ako ngayon, panigurado hindi kita binitawan. If I only had the mindset that I have right now, for sure, tayo pa ngayon. Look at me. Can you look at me, please? I want to make you feel that I'm sincere when I say this. Wala akong gustong sirain. But every time I look at you, ang hirap paniwalaan na tapos na tayo. May mga bagay talaga na hindi nawawala, no? Na kahit gaano katagal, kahit
pilit nating kalimutan, hindi pa rin mawala sa isip. And, and that's how I feel towards you. I don't know how would you feel, but I want to tell you something. Baka may chance pa. Baka pwede pa ulit. Baka pwede pang itry natin ulit. Kasi kung ako lang yung tatanungin. At kagayon, ikaw pa rin yung gusto kong kakamping. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto kong kausap. At ikaw pa rin yung gusto kong mahalin. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto kong katabi. Kasi sa totoo lang, every time I say na okay na ako, I'm just honestly pretending. Hindi ako okay. Because I miss you so much. And I really look forward to the time na makausap kita ng ganito. Kasi ang totoo niyan, kung tatanungin ako kung anong nararamdaman ko, I still love you. Mahal pa kita. Oh, for the past 8 months, I never talked to you. Because I don't want to distract you. I don't want to disturb you. But there was never a day na hindi kita naiisip. Walang araw na lumipas na hindi ko pinanalangin na magkabalikan tayo. Na sana wala ka pang boyfriend. Na sana single ka pa rin. Because yes, I still love you. Tahimik lang ako pero totoo. And just in case na handa kang subukan ulit, I promise, hindi na ako aalis. Mas iingatan kita. You don't have to respond right now. I want you to. I want you to think of it. I don't want to pressure you. I don't want to distract you for your priorities. Hindi ko alam kung anong priority mo these days, but just in case you still feel something towards me, I'm more than willing to pursue you again. Handa akong ligawan ka ulit. Dahil mahal kita. Mahal na mahal. Thank you. Thank you because actually, ang gaan ng pakiramdam ko. Parang ang tagal kong hinintay na masabi ulit yun. At salamat. Salamat dahil nandito ka. Kahit alam ko awkward. Kahit mahirap. At least, you're here.
Campers! Tara na! Dinner is ready! Come on! Dito na tayo sa bonfire! Dali na!
Ayun na pala. Yeah, shall we go? Let's go, tara. Ako na magbibitbit nito. Be careful, ha? Tandahan.